that opportunity arises, that like the way that the Mheshimiwa has guided, we want you to hit on your own issues. If you are running for Senate, you must talk about the county. Yeah, you must talk about the county. Nama County. You must talk about the issues that are affecting women here. Nasikia hamuna maji. Na nyinyi ndio mnatuma maji Mombasa. So na mashamba nasikia kuna tenant moja mkubwa anajenga reli inaenda kwa shamba yake. So we want you to bring out these issues. We had a very good meeting in Mombasa where we the local leaders who first spoke addressed the issues very well. So that is our expectation. And we are, this movement belongs to all of us. You guys have built this thing on your own. You know, just 4 months ago, it was not what it looks like. When we were going to Busia, it was not the same.
Yes.
So it belongs to all of us, and if we follow some of those guidelines and just have a little discipline, we can all enjoy this thing. We don't want to tusikie gari ya mtu imeroll kwa nini kwa mlima kwa sababu ulikuwa unasukumana. Hii movement ni yetu sisi wote. And I think that if we are all disciplined and on our messaging and even in the way that we behave, we can all have a good time. My wife used to tell me, like, there was a time when I was very stressed after Mzee died. He said, I used to see you enjoying politics. It's like you don't enjoy it anymore. It's become a burden. I told her, itapita tu. We have to enjoy doing this.
Yes.
You know, isikuwe stress tunatoka hapa umeacha bumper Taita Taveta unaanza kuvuta kioo nini, hiyo vitu sisi hatufanyi. And because we are all one family, we must take care of each other.
Yes.
And it will only happen if we are that disciplined. Otherwise, everything else will just fall in place. God has been very gracious.
Amen. Amen.
God has been very gracious. We have seen this movement grow in leaps and bounds. And now we feel that we are ready.
Yes.
Ni mnasikia hivyo ama bado?
Kenya One.
Tusiharibu.
Kenya One.
Because watu ambao wameweka hopes zao kwa hili na wananchi ni wengi sana. Ni wengi sana. Let us not disappoint them by just being disciplined and so on and so forth. Let us do clean politics. Let us give the country hope that things can be different. Your friends and our brothers in Kalau have shown you how it is. Yani sahi hakuna kitu ya kututisha. Wakisema hatuna pesa ni sawa kwa sababu pesa haikuwasaidia Olkalau. So clearly it is not about money. It is about the people. So what we do sisi tuendelee tu.
Tumewashinda